Good morning from rainy Paris.
Yes.
Today's plan, we're going on top of the Eiffel Tower, which is
Right there.
ta-da! But first, breakfast. After breakfast, we returned to the task at hand, climbing the Eiffel Tower. To climb up the tower, you need to pre-book a slot with a date and a time slot. I'm not sure if this was recently introduced because of COVID. At the time of booking our trip, we could not find a good time slot for us from the official website, so instead we booked a guided tour from another website with the time we wanted and full access to the top. The guided tour allows you to skip the queue, you will learn some fun facts about the tower, and they will guide you to which lift you need to use. When booking, I was under the impression that we will be using the stairs, so I was mentally prepared for it as a challenge, but given the wet weather, I was more than happy to use the lift. The lift will make a first stop on the first level, then on the second level. If you want to go all the way up, there is another lift from the second level.
Voilà, messieurs, dames, le deuxième étage. Tout le monde descend ici, changement d'ascenseur pour le sommet. Second floor, everyone stop here and you change lift for the top floor.
Although it was foggy, we still managed to find clear pockets, which gave us this impressive view of the Trocadero area. A little tip, there are radiators fitted near the windows, which give off heat. So if you are visiting in winter or on a cold day like this one, look for the radiators to heat up. If you want to go further up the tower, there is another short set of stairs, which will allow you to go outside on this level as well. We decided to have a look, of course. Almost got blown away, not just by the view, but literally by the wind. We made it to the top! Yeah!
In freezing weather. But it's a nice view.
Look at the view! After we were ready from the tower, we didn't really feel like running around in the rain. So we changed our plans and we stumbled upon this restaurant along the riverbanks. And as they say, every cloud has a silver lining. We weren't really planning on having lunch right under the Eiffel Tower, but we sure are glad we did. Now that's lunch with a great view right there. After our late lunch, we went to our hotel to regroup, before heading out for dinner later in the day. After dinner, we decided to go for a walk, and of course take a look at the famous Moulin Rouge. We did not go watch a show, but we hear it is worth a visit. In our next video, we will be visiting the Louvre Museum and the Jardin des Tuileries. Like and subscribe and let us know in the comments how you spend unexpected rainy days when on holiday. See you next time.